Hello, painting peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from Coz Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone, guys. Good to see you all. Doing a fun painting that will happen in phases, and I will show you each phase. I'm working on an edge canvas, and this is a 10 by 40. It's kind of a long fella. I'm going to have to move my camera up, which will put you very far away from me. But round one, I'm going to be doing a background color. Very neutral, monotone background cover painting. I'm doing a flip cup. You're going to see me take a 3-ounce cup, put it on my table, and then I'm going to pour each of these colors kind of high into that cup, especially after the first paint goes in, so it kind of pierces the paint below, and they'll kind of intertwine and marry and get to know each other a little bit better. And we're going to do a flip cup. Now, the top of this painting is going to be a little subtle with creams and a little bit of grays, and then the bottom part of the painting is going to be darker hues and the taupes and the grays and the neutral beiges, because the bottom part is going to represent a table. And then I'll come in after it dries with my paintbrush and kind of tweak the tabletop a little bit. And then I'm going to create a nice vase on top of the table. And then I'm going to pull out my rigger brush, my fine-tuned brushes, and create a plant out of that flower pot. So you'll see each phase, and I'll chime in every time there's something important that I need to share with you. Right now, I want to share with you my colors. This right here, this is going to be my flow extender or my base coat color. This is Amsterdam Acrylics in the Titan Buff Deep. Next to it, we have a new paint to me that I've been using on my mixed media projects on my jelly plate, because it sells up and does some wonderful, wonderful lacing. I get this at Fluid Art Co. This is Tri Art. They're liquid acrylics in the warm white. Then one of my favorite hues, I mean, my house is has this color all over it with some tans and creams and blacks. This is Amsterdam Acrylics, they're pewter. And this is a semi-transparent paint. You can see that only half of the block is blocked in there. The Tri-Art Warm White is an opaque paint. And the Amsterdam Standard Series and the Titan Buff is a opaque paint. That makes a difference with things, guys. This next one, oh, it was tucked away. I used to use it all the time. It's an opaque metallic paint. This is Arteza in the Pearl Space Gray. Let's take a look at that yummy color right there. And then our final color is Arteza, a semi-opaque or semi-transparent paint, and that is their Pearl White. Now, how I mix these paints is I put a big dollop in the bottom of my cup, in this case probably about a ½ ounce, and then I add about, I'd say a tablespoon or so of golden GAC 800. Stir that up in my paint real good, because GAC is good, guys. Go to the Golden website and read all about it. It does so many wonderful things. Helps with cracking, it helps with crazing, it's self-leveling. And there's our consistency. Leaves a little bit of a mound before it dissipates into the paint below. We want the paints a little bit thin, excuse me. After the GAC goes in and gets stirred up, then I add my strained pouring medium. Today, it's 50% Floetrol and 50% Liquitex Pouring Medium. The Liquitex Pouring Medium with the gray and black label. So everything gets mixed up, and then just to keep me honest, every once in a while I do a drip test. I put, about the size of a small grape or a large pea into this consistency chart by lovely Tammy DeCaro. And then I tilt it. And as you can see, base coat color, the, what is that? The warm white and the Amsterdam Pewter were a little bit thicker, so I added a little bit more water to them, and then I stirred them up really good. And I will just wipe this off with a baby wipe. But I'm gonna go ahead and put some tacks in the back of my canvas, move my camera up, and I'm gonna do a couple of flip cups, some tilting. Now I speed things up because I really take my time tilting, but most likely this will be sped up so I don't put you guys to sleep. So phase one, let's get busy creating a backdrop, guys. Glad you're here.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and beyond your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. And deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. All that I've been dreaming about, it is all too close. I got it all, but I'm paralyzed. I don't know which way to go. But I keep walking right into your arms, and even falling. I'm falling with you, I'm standing with you, got it all in my hands, but I don't know how to breathe. I'm walking I'm standing with you, got it all in my hands, but I don't know how to breathe. I'm walking outside, taking in all the air, but I don't know how to breathe. And I'm fading away under the lights, but I figured it out, this is all 'cause of you. 'Cause you take my breath away. All that I've been dreaming about, it is all too close. I got it all, but I'm paralyzed. I don't know which way to go, but I keep walking right into your arms, and if I'm falling, I'm falling with you. I'm standing with you, got it all in my hands, but I don't know how to breathe. I'm walking outside, taking in all the air, but I don't know how to breathe. I'm fading away under the lights, but I figured it out, this is all 'cause of you. 'Cause you take my breath away. All the voices inside my head used to be my only friend, but they go silent